there we go. I just think this audio package is perfect, as I said earlier.
Wow. Did you see that bumps yet?
Yeah. Sunset ride as well. Oh, there we go.
Right guys, ready for the sunset view?
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Come on, time for full swing. Woo! Oh. There we go. Hey, there we go. So I think you said in the talk this morning, I think it takes 10 swings to get to full swing, does 6 full swings, then takes 9 to get back down to this level now. So yeah, there are the statistics that I can't be bothered to count. So thanks for that, Andy, this afternoon. But yeah, there we go. Should we go again?
Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed that.
You didn't see me? I've lost my voice, as I always do. That was awesome. Hopefully we do go again.